Hi friends, welcome to Update World channel. Who are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notification. Today we are going to see about the top 10 most luxurious first-class airline cabins. First most luxurious first-class airline cabin. Etihad Airways. The national airline of the United Arab Emirates, Etihad Airways, takes the luxury flight experience and leads it to the extreme. As a first-class client, you have the option to book the residence. Yes, it's like your own luxurious apartment. At 36,000 feet above the ground. One such residence is comprised by a living room, boasting a soft cozy leather sofa, 2 dining tables and a 32-inch flat TV screen. Then there's the bedroom, connected with the living room via a short hallway, featuring a double bed with Italian bedding. They have got as well a lobby, available to all the first-class clients, which offers all kinds of fine drinks and gourmet dishes. But the most impressive of all is, again, the private shower with luxury toiletries. All this makes sense, if you have got the money for it. Second most luxurious first-class airline cabin. Emirates. Flying in first class with Emirates is like having your own 5-star hotel room up there above oceans and continents. Their private suite speaks of opulence, with accessories clad in gold, a leather seat that turns into a comfy bed, a personal pop-up minibar, the most expensive in-flight food menu and a large shower with spa included. What else could you wish while flying around in their A380s? Well, at an onboard lounge, a selection of fine liquor, champagne, wine and beer, options for every possible diet in their food menu, luxury toiletries in the shower and even your own private butler. Should all that be enough? Third most luxurious first-class airline cabin. Air France Airline. Titled La Première, Air France's new private suite cabin built for the first-class flyers is sophisticated, modern and cozy. Suede and leather suites its interior, modern accessories adorn it, the combination of grey and beige gives a soothing atmosphere and the wide bed and plush mattress mellows out its occupants during flight. Besides the 24-inch feature-rich TV screen and complimentary Wi-Fi, the menu includes a good choice of meals and wines, offering an unforgettable dining experience, created and selected by some of the most well-known French chefs, like Joël Robuchon or Michelin star Daniel Boulud. Fourth most luxurious first-class airline cabin. Singapore Airlines. The private suites on some select aircraft from the Singapore Airlines fleet are something of a dream for the average individual. The heaven-like suites are designed with nothing more than comfort in mind, boasting diamond-padded leather armchairs, large private bed, a sliding door and warm gentle spotlights that ease the entire atmosphere. Their cuisine features an amazing collection of dishes from famous Michelin-starred chefs, which you can even select before the flight, so you can have your favorite meal during the trip. Fifth most luxurious first-class airline cabin. Cathay Pacific Airways. Cathay Pacific Airways are a Hong Kong-based airline that's well known for their high-quality services on board their flights, the amazing cleanliness and their very comfortable seats. When it comes to first class, Cathay offers its clients overhauled private pods with luxury seats and bedding and some top-notch conveniences, including amazing entertainment options. And let's not forget about their delicious cuisine, which includes Krug champagne and caviar just as a welcome aboard message. Sixth most luxurious first-class airline cabin. Qatar Airways. Qatar Airways offer no less than its competition when it comes to pampering their first-class clients and assuring they forget they are in an airplane cruising close to the speed of sound at 36,000 feet. Their seats stretch out to become flat beds, which are completed by luxury bedding designed by the famous Italian luxury textile brand, Fret. They are also served delicious onboard meals and have exclusive access to Qatar Airways Sky Lounge for some snacks and drinks. Seventh most luxurious first-class airline cabin. Virgin Atlantic. Virgin Atlantic got as well into the race to create some of the most comfortable, luxurious and delighting first-class suites. Their quasi-private leather seats can turn into comfortable enough beds at the touch of a button, with cotton bed linen and pajamas for a comfortable sleep at 36,000 feet. And to keep up with the general trend, they have got as well a private bar for those who would like to taste a fine drink before going to bed. 8th most luxurious first-class airline cabin. Lufthansa Airways. Lufthansa wanted to keep the pace with the other airlines and redesigned their first-class compartments in a soothing new brown-grey color, with noise-cancelling insulation in the floor, humidifiers and climate control, and a carefully designed bed with temperature control for your pillow. The central bar in the cabin offers free wines and craft chocolate, while their chefs from Munich's Restaurant de Meyer will delight your senses with special dishes served after large portions of caviar offered as an appetizer. 9th most luxurious first-class airline cabin. Qantas Airways. Let's start with the beginning. Pre-flight massage. Don't believe us? Book a first-class flight with Qantas Airways from one of their flagship airports and let yourself be surprised by the massage offered at the Aurora Day Spa right before the flight. You know, to ease the stress of a long, comfortable and deluxe flight. And then accommodate yourself into one of their jumbo pods with luxury amenities and services at your disposal. Expect a 17-inch television set, a pull-out bed with sheepskin mattress plus all the pillows and blankets you might need, and some delicious and diverse dishes should you get hungry. And let's not forget about those vintage bottles of champagne. And about the price, which doesn't go below $15,000. 10th most luxurious first-class airline cabin. British Airways. On their new Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner, British Airways honors their first-class clients with cabins that most of us can only dream about. The new first-class seats now come in leather, with wonderful chrome finishes, plus personal lockers, a wardrobe complete with mirror, you know, just in case you need to get to a meeting right after landing and you have to make sure your look isn't affected by the flight. To all that you can add a high-tech 23-inch display for all things entertainment, the usual afternoon tea, some fine meals with dishes including smoked salmon, lettuce sandwiches and homemade bread. And at least $5,000 for a one-way ticket. Thank you for watching this video. Meet in next video. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notification. Please like, share and comment to all our videos.